If you're looking for fresh new product mockups to use with your designs, you may be able to generate them using Adobe Firefly. Let's say you want a colorful hoodie. Using just that as the prompt will certainly generate you a colorful hoodie, but it may not be the exact style that you're looking for. To help push us in the mockup direction, let's make sure the content type is set to photo, turn on the hyper-realistic effect, then back in the prompt, I'm going to add something like isolated on a white background. Generating again should leave us with something more in line with a product mockup, but we can certainly take this further. The white background is great for extraction, but we may want to define something specific directly on the image. Maybe lying on a wood table, or on a hanger in a luxury store. Now, what if we wanted our hoodie to be on a subject? We can build that right into the prompt. A woman wearing a colorful hoodie against a colorful wall outside. And to make sure enough of our subject is showing, I'm going to switch the aspect ratio over to portrait. That looks pretty good. As a side note, if you're a Photoshop user, you can use one of your newly generated mockups as a reference image to swap onto an existing image. And I'll leave a link to a video where you can see that in action. So what other products can we dream up? Just about anything, really. They can be as simple as blank hoodies, or you can build out product displays for perfume bottles, coffee bags, and a whole lot more. And that's that. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.